Good morning everyone! So today we are going to spend our day at Wangfujing Street or kung hanggang saan kami makarating ngayon. So yan, nandito lang kami sa labas ng hotel.
We're just waiting for our DD taxi. So, apparently hindi na naman kami nagkaintindihan. Kaya hanapin namin kung nasaan na naman yung aming DD taxi.
So yun na nga, sinundo na kami ng driver kasi hindi namin siya makita. Yun pala, yung e-hailing pickup zone is nandito sa basement ng building.
Yon, dito sa parking lot na to. So that's our DD ride. So ito dapat mga kinukuha nyo pagka 5 kayo. Okay, buti na lang mabait si kuyang driver. Sinundo kami sa taas. Pero ganun talaga mga taxi dito. Medyo amoy yosi. Pero okay lang. So ito dito.
Kasi when we went down, this is a parking spot where you hail. Hail.
Okay. So ganun pala.
So that means if we're going to hail a taxi, we have to be here.
Okay.
Kasi
So
I
now
think-
we know.
I think upstairs is like reserved or like basta there's something. Baka
Okay. So yan, nakasakay na kami sa DD ride namin. So dapat pag lima kayo, ganito kukunin nyo. Ano tawag dito? Premium, ano diba? Premium XL. So actually, 60 CNY lang to. So that's around, siguro, more or less 500 pesos. Yan. Medyo smoggy lang yung place. Pero if you look at the streets, they're all very clean. Lapit na kami. Ano lang talaga, it's the air quality. Nakikita mo talagang smog. May usok ng konti. Ganda. So, anong building to?
Oh, this is the Poland heaven.
We
didn't
didn't
buy
ba?
the tickets yet.
So we're here already. So guys, welcome to Wangfujing Street. This is one of the most famous shopping districts here in Beijing. You know, this place is so historic. Imagine this was established during the Ming Dynasty pa. Pero in some websites, sinasabi nila it's even before the Ming Dynasty pa raw. Some said it was during the Yuan Dynasty. This shopping street is about 1.8 kilometers long. So ang haba, di ba? So this is located in Dongcheng District. Yung hotel namin nasa Fengtai kami. Pero malapit lang to doon. You can take the subway to come here and then just go down sa Wangfujing Station.
Actually, nag-snacks muna kami.
Yeah.
I like the Alipay. Just
Before
scan
going
it.
to the barbecue. Kumain ako ng ice cream. Ito, Beijing ATM. Siguro masarap maglakad dito ng gabi. Pasok kami dito. Right.
So, we went inside this building kasi nandito kami magla-lunch sa Menguli Barbecue Buffet. Menguli or Menguli, I don't know. So, tara, hanapin natin.
Ito na yung hinahanap namin. Yung Menguli Barbecue.
So, this is an eat-all-you-can restaurant. So, it's 179 RMB per person. So, that's about 1,600 pesos plus. So, ang style nila dito, meron silang mga buffet setup ng food. Tapos, meron ding mga servers na nagpupunta from table to table na nagdi-distribute ng mga barbecue dishes. Yung ibang food nasa trolley, tinutulak-tulak nila around, and then yung iba naman nasa platter.
Okay, it's time to eat. I'm gonna get food now. Okay, let's get some food.
Okay, now I will show you the food sa may buffet area.
Ayan, oh. Yeah, so yan palang kinukuha ko. Pork belly sana, pero ubus na, apparently. This is fish. Ano yan, Sam?
Ribs?
Chicken ribs.
Something like that.
Ito naman, I don't know. Anything fried. Oh, di ba? Meron pang. Ito naman, puro vegetables. Ito, fried rice, spaghetti, gulay. Pero walang laman. They haven't filled up yet. Ito mga meat. Of course, they have fruits. Actually, garlic shrimp. Wala yung kanina. Anak ko, which is mine. Ito kay Happy. Ayan. Tapos, yan, ganyan pa. Ayan si ate, oh. Umiikot yan para gumaganyan. One more. Isa na lang. Okay, okay. Yan. Thank you. Sheshe, thank you. Yon, ganon. Umiikot sila at namimigay ng barbecue. At, yon. Ito, yung mga staff, they go around to serve you this one. Wala to dun sa buffet, di ba? Okay, tingnan natin to. Ito, nakain ko to. Grabe, ang anghang nito. Puset. Tapos ito, I don't know. Then ito, this is chicken daw. Chicken nga ba to? Ay, hindi. Chicken ba to? Hindi. No, it's not. It's pork. And then this one, ito yung mga binibigay sa amin habang umiikot sila. You know, just like that guy. No, thanks. And try it here, guys. You're gonna like it. But you have to have a big appetite to eat here. Bago na lang. Ayan, oh. May binigay din na cheese bread with mozzarella. Sarap for me, the tart. Tapos ito kanina yung, ano ba to? I don't know kung ito ribs ba to, pero super sarap. Wala na, busog na, hindi na kaya. Let's go get some ice cream. Alam mo dito, lahat ng drinks kasama na sa binayaran mo. Pwedeng champagne, pwedeng whiskey. Ito pala yung ice cream. I'll get some. Ito yung drinks. And then here. Oh. Ano ba ito? Ayan, may donut. All kinds of drinks. And this is my ice cream. The available drinks. Yan. Ito yung mga meat. Oh my God, busog na kaming lahat. Okay, we went into this mall, the one with the Apple store, but I don't know the name of the mall. Maganda tong mall pala na to. Sam, do you know the name of the mall? Huh? Ah, the APM. Okay. Yeah, it's big.
Where are we heading to? Daddy, I thought you wanted to go upstairs.
Yes, they're getting free mirrors.
I got my palette now. What do you want? What do you want?
So they're buying makeup.
What do you want? What do you want? This is mine. You don't like it?
If you don't like it, I'll get that.
It's nice. It's nice.
But then I know at HL's next.
So, nakapamili ako ng mga trinkets from this store. It's called Opoki. There. Yan, mga lipstick for friends.
Kasama na dyan
There.
sa akin.
Diyan, sa Opoki. Ah, hindi pala Opoki. Qpoki, whatever. Okay. Namili rin ako ng t-shirt dito sa Uniqlo. 2 peraso lang. Yeah. Kakalabas lang namin ng mall. We had to go out na because it's so hot inside. Naka-on kasi yung heater. O ngayon, dito, sarap. Breezy and it's Baguio weather. Ano yan?
I got B1 and B2.
Ah, dalawa pala binili mong plush.
Who spins?
Kasi may mga puspin kami, kaya ganyan. Time for Starbucks. Diyan kami galing kanina sa loob ng APM Mall. And then now, we're gonna be here in Starbucks. Mali, hindi na. Walang maupuan. Go somewhere else. Okay, we're gonna buy some shoes naman.
Smile, everyone!
Ayan no, meron Catholic Church. I don't know kung Catholic yan, but it looks like one. Daughter is buying Anta shoes. Chinese brand. Yeah, nag-Starbucks naman kami ngayon. I just got daughter got a matcha latte and then nag-hot cappuccino ako. Mga daughters ko, they got this. Ito gusto ko try. Ano?
It's a mousse cake.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna eat first and drink our coffee. Abot na kami ng gabi dito. So this is Wang Fujing at night. Diba? Saya? Okay, bumalik kami dito to buy the Lululemon bag. So, ito yung bibilin ko. Okay, I'm gonna buy this bag. Just very simple. Okay, bayad muna. Okay, I got my bag. That's parang 580 RMB. Cute siya. Sana sila? Hindi pa rin sila lumalabas. I think my daughter will buy also a bag.
So guys, ayaw pa namin umuwi. We are going to Kianmen, Dashilan Street.
Mag-DD taxi na naman kami. We're just waiting for it. Na ang aming ride. There's our ride now. There. Aming DD car.
So far, lahat ng mga vans na nasasakyan namin dito, talagang comfy siya, tsaka magaganda.
So, nandito na kami sa Kianmen Street. This is a very historic shopping street and it's been here for more than 5 centuries.
So many shops and restaurants, and dito ka talaga makakabili ng mga souvenirs. So pwede ka pa nga mag-tram kung gusto mo makarating hanggang dulo, pero ngayon na dumating kami, sarado na yung tram. Some of the shops here are more than 100 years old, pero ang hinahanap ko talaga is yung beef jerky. Alam nyo, kung pupunta kayo dito, mas maganda talaga gabi kasi very lively siya talaga.
So, we're eating some mochi. This is like a mochi. Okay. Ito yung binili namin. Let's try this. Mochi yan. Siguro, I think. Ano that? Peanuts or what? Sarap? Hindi masarap? Why? Good. Ayun na, may miniso rin, no?
So dito ako bibili ng beef and pork jerky.
Pagdating mo sa dulo ng street na to, ayan, you'll see that.
That is the Kianmen Archway. And then the building behind it is the Archery Tower of Kianmen Gate. Okay, pumasok kami sa isang alley.
Bayaran ko na ng cash yan.
Meron kaming nakita. I know, kaya nga, dapat explore natin to eh. Hindi yung parang ano lang. Oh my God. Dito tayo bibili ng pasalubong, Dad. Ayan oh. Dito talaga pala. Ayan, yan yung mga hutong, Sam. Oh, ito na yung mga hutong. I think. Ito na yung mga... Ito pala, puro kainan eh. Eat here at this restaurant. Oh. It's beef rice.
Delicious.
Ito kung pao chicken na super authentic and then beef rice. This is beef something. Barbecue, 5U1 each. Mga sinauna. So ito, itong alley na to, puro small restaurants. Hanggang dun. Okay, time to go back to the hotel. Get a DD taxi again. Here's our ride going back to the hotel again, DD. So hanggang dito na lang guys. This is Nell. Thanks.